Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to process registrations. Now when you log into DanceWorks, you'll see a notification if you've received new registrations through customer access. You can choose to either process those registrations immediately on logging in or at some other point during your work. So I'm going to start by logging in to our online school and showing you how these notifications work. Now, you'll see the new registrations notification here, and if you choose to process registrations now, you can click the Process Now button. But if you'd like to work in DanceWorks before you process those registrations, click the Process Later button. And you'll see that DanceWorks is now live for you to use and do whatever you need to do in. When you decide that you do want to process those registrations, you'll see up in the top purple menu bar a link that says New Registrations that lets you know that you still have new registrations you need to process. You can access your registrations by clicking this link or by clicking on the Registrations tab. And the Registrations tab will show you your pending online registrations. If you scroll down to your registrations received, you'll see a list of registrations that you've received through customer access. Now, to process a registration, click the pink Process button next to the account that you would like to process the registration for. You'll see the account information that your customer has entered in, and you'll see an account status. At this point it's a prospect, but to turn this into an active account, you'll click the purple Activate Account button. And this moves your account status to active. By clicking the Edit button, you can use the drop-down menus to add an account source or an alert code. You can change the tuition calculation or the billing frequency. And if you make any changes, click Save Changes to save those changes to that account. Now by clicking the purple Complete button, you will mark the account and students as processed. If students have been registered and requested classes, they will be removed from the list if they're not enrolled in classes first. And this operation cannot be reversed. So unless you have enrolled students, you don't want to click the Complete button right away. Now if you scroll down, you'll see a list of students and classes that they've selected. Now the students will be added along with the account, but the classes that they've selected will not be added to their accounts until you register them for classes. To register a student for classes, click the pink Register button and click the pink Enroll button next to the classes that you want to register those students for. If you'd like to select other classes for the student, click the purple Select Other Classes button, and you can enroll that student in additional classes in the session that they've selected or in any other session you're working with. Again, to enroll a student, click the pink Enroll button. If you don't want to enroll a student or you're finished enrolling a student, click the purple Close Window button, and that will close the class list. When you're finished enrolling in a student in classes, click the purple Student Done button, and DanceWorks will let you know that all of the students' requested classes have been processed and the student will be marked as processed. Click OK, and DanceWorks will return you to your account process screen. To process a second student, we'll go through the exact same process. Now if you don't want to enroll this student in the class and you'd like to remove them from the list instead, click the pink Remove button and that class will be removed. Again, to add other classes to the student's enrollment, click the purple Select Other Classes button and then choose a class to enroll them in by clicking the pink Enroll button. Sorry, I hit that twice. Then click Close Window and click the purple Student Done button. And again, DanceWorks will let you know that all of the classes have been processed and the student will be marked as processed. On the account screen, you can also access groups to assign a group code to an account. By clicking the pink Add button. And then the purple Done button when you're finished adding group codes. You can read any notes that the account has entered when registering through customer access. You can also view and edit emergency information and credit card information. And you can add a discount using the discounts function. Once you've finished registering students in the account and you have activated the account, you're ready to complete your registration. So click the purple Complete button. DanceWorks will let you know now that you've processed all your students, that all your students have been processed, and the account will be marked as processed. Click the OK button, and you'll see that that account has disappeared from the registrations received list, and now appears in your regular account list. When you enter the account, you'll see that your account information and student information appears on the new account information page. So that covers how to process registrations in DanceWorks. Please let us know if you have any problems working with that or any further questions.